Most people spend their lives waiting. Waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for the perfect opportunity, waiting for someone to believe in them. And while they wait, the clock keeps moving. Days become weeks, weeks become months, months become years. One day they wake up and realize they spent so much time preparing to live that they never actually started. But today is different. Because today, I want you to understand something powerful. You do not need permission to begin. You don't need permission to chase your goals. You don't need permission to work harder. You don't need permission to become stronger. And you definitely don't need permission to believe in yourself. The world will always have people who doubt you. People who laugh at your dreams. People who think your goals are impossible. But here is the truth. The people who changed their lives were not the people who had everyone's approval. They were the people who kept moving even when nobody believed in them. Think about that. Every champion was once unknown. Every successful person was once a beginner. Every great athlete once struggled with the basics. Nobody starts at the top. Nobody. The difference is that some people quit when progress becomes slow. Others keep going. Imagine two people standing at the bottom of a mountain. One person looks at the mountain and says, "It's too high." The other person looks at the same mountain and says, "One step at a time." Months later, one is still standing at the bottom. The other is halfway to the top. The mountain never changed. Their mindset did. Your future is built by small decisions. One workout, one page read, one practice session, one extra effort when nobody is watching. Success rarely arrives like a lightning strike. It arrives like a sunrise, slowly, quietly, almost unnoticed, until one day the entire sky is different. And that's why consistency is so powerful. Because every day you show up, you are casting a vote for the person you want to become. Every disciplined choice is a brick. Every productive habit is a brick. Every moment you refuse to quit is another brick. And eventually, those bricks become a foundation that nobody can take away from you. There will be difficult days. Days when you are tired. Days when things don't go your way. Days when you question whether the effort is worth it. On those days, remember this. You are not defined by how you perform when everything is easy. You are defined by how you respond when life gets hard. Pressure doesn't create character. It reveals it. When challenges appear, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Ask, "What is this teaching me?" Every setback carries a lesson. Every failure contains information. Every obstacle gives you a chance to grow stronger. The strongest people are not those who never fall. They're the ones who get back up so many times that quitting no longer feels like an option. Your story is still being written. This chapter is not the end. If you've made mistakes, learn from them. If you've failed, learn from it. If you've been knocked down, stand up again. The next page hasn't been written yet, and that means your comeback is always possible. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is working while others sleep. Someone is practicing while others complain. Someone is building a future while others make excuses. Why not let that person be you? Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the life you want isn't waiting in the future. It's being built by what you choose to do right now. So stop waiting, stop doubting, stop telling yourself you'll start later. Take the first step, then another, and keep moving forward, no matter how slow the progress feels. Years from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be grateful that you did. The choice is yours. Make today count.